How to fix uploaded audio matches existing work of art in Suno AI 2026. VAUNYX. Hey everyone. If you're trying to upload your own original audio into Suno AI and you keep seeing the error uploaded audio matches existing work of art, you're definitely not alone. In this video, I'm going to teach you the safe and effective ways to troubleshoot this issue in 2026, so you can get your tracks working without breaking any rules. This error became much more common in 2026 because Suno tightened its upload filters. It often flags even completely original music due to fingerprinting or false positives. The key is to only work with audio you fully own and to follow the right steps. First, make sure the audio you're uploading is 100% original and that you control all the rights. Remove any third-party samples, loops, backing tracks, or previously released masters. Suno requires you to have the rights for anything you upload. Next, try uploading a short, clean excerpt instead of the full song. Trim it down to 20 to 60 seconds of the most unique section and export it as a high-quality WAV file. Many creators find that shorter clips pass the check much more easily. If the short version still gets blocked, make small acoustic adjustments on your own computer using a free tool like Audacity. Slightly shift the pitch by 1 semitone, adjust the tempo by 2 to 5%, or gently roll off the high frequencies. These minor changes can break the fingerprint match while keeping your song sounding almost the same. Always preview the result to make sure it still feels right. For longer tracks, use the chunk method. Split your audio into 2 to 4 minute sections in your DAW. Upload each chunk separately to your Suno library first. Then open a new studio project, drag the approved chunks in order, switch each one to original mode and align them perfectly with Snap-on. Export the full track from Studio. If none of these steps work and you have clear proof that the audio is your original work, contact Suno support at support@suno.com. Include a screenshot of the error, the file name, upload time, your account email, and any proof such as project files, MIDI exports, raw recordings, or session screenshots. Here's a pro tip: always keep detailed records of your creative process from the very beginning. Export stems and project files before uploading. This makes it much easier to prove ownership if a false positive happens. To recap, verify your rights, try short clean clips, make small local adjustments if needed, use the chunk method in Studio, and reach out to support with evidence when necessary. These steps keep everything safe and compliant. If this guide helped you fix your upload, give the video a like, subscribe for more Suno AI tutorials, and drop a comment below telling me what error you're seeing or what worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.